Welcome to Northstar Kia, your most trusted new and pre-owned automotive dealership, located at 46-05 Northern Boulevard, Queens. Introducing this pre-owned 2023 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid XSE in gray metallic. This dynamic SUV is equipped with an array of safety features to ensure a secure driving experience. This RAV4 offers advanced safety technologies like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Inside, enjoy comfort with spacious seating and dual-zone automatic climate control. Stay connected and entertained with the user-friendly infotainment system featuring a large touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. With its reliable hybrid performance and ample cargo space, this pre-owned Toyota is a practical and eco-friendly choice for your daily commutes and weekend adventures. Consider this RAV4 for its safety and comfort features, making it a reliable and versatile vehicle for all your journeys. Come by Northstar and enjoy a relaxed test drive experience. Our friendly staff is here to assist you in finding the perfect vehicle that suits you. Unlocking possibilities, delivering quality, only at Northstar Kia, your premier destination for new and used cars.